Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, 93rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification friends, okay? And friends, also do not forget to share the video with family, friends and relative friends, okay? So friends, in our last video, I have covered the topic called how the scientific thinkers looks at money. This topic I have covered friends, okay? How the scientific thinkers look at money. So friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how to attract the money you need. This topic friends, okay? So friends, this is 113 number video and the name of this topic is how to attract the money you need. So friends, let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? Many years ago, I met a young boy in Australia who wanted to become a physician and surgeon. So friends, here author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic that he met a many years ago boy in Australia who wanted to become a physician and also a surgeon friends, okay? But he had no money. So that money, that boy was in a person who have no money with him friends, okay? I explained to him how a seed deposited in the soil attract to itself everything necessary for its unfolding. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling that he explained to that boy that how if a seed is put in the soil without unfolded, how it becomes fruitful friends, okay? And that all he had to do was to take a lesson from the seed and deposit the required idea in the subconscious mind. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that he just taught him how to deposit that seed in the subconscious mind, and afterwards the subconscious mind is going to give the result which is going to be a fruitful in the long run friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. For expenses, this young brilliant boy used to clean out the doctor's office, wash window and do odd repair jobs. So author Joseph Murphy is telling for expenses that little boy used to clean the doctor's office, wash the windows and do repairing job friends, okay? So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. He told me that every night as he went to sleep, he used to picture in his mind's eye a diploma, a medical diploma on a wall with his name on it in big bold letters. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling that boy, whenever he goes to sleep, before sleep, he used to picturize that in a big wall there was a diploma degree of the doctor in the name of that boy, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. He used to clean and shine the framed diplomas in the medical building where he worked. So he used to imagine that he have worked and he got a medical degree which is shining in the building of the hospital where he used to work, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It was not hard for him to engrave the image of a diploma in the mind and develop it there. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling that it was not hard for the boy to see the diploma in the mind and develop it there, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Definite results followed as he persisted with his mental picture every night for about 4 months. So about a 4 months, so he used to see this picture which is being there in his mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The sequel of this story was very interesting. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the sequel of this story was very interesting, friends. Okay, one of the doctor took a great liking to this young boy, and after training him in the art of sterilizing instruments. So here author Asimov is telling that one of the doctor was used to like this boy a great after he trained in the art of sterilizing the instrument, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic, giving hy- hypodermic injection and the miscellaneous first aid work. So he used to give the hypothesis injection uh, and the miscellaneous first aid work, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is sent to us in this topic. He employed him as technical assistant in his office. So this doctor employed that boy as a technical assistant in his office, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. The doctor later sent him to medical school at his own expense. So later on, that doctor sent this boy to the medical school at his own expense, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. Today, this young man is a predominant medical doctor in Montreal, Canada. So your author Asimov is telling today this man is a pre-monital doctor in the region of Canada, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. He discovered the law of attraction by using his subconscious mind and have the right way. So this boy discovered the law of attraction by using his subconscious mind in the right way, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. He operated an age-old law which says, so this boy operated a age-old law which is very old, which says, having seen the end, you have to willed the means to the realization of the end. So whenever we see the end towards the realization of end, which is the end, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. The end in this case was to become a medical doctor. So the end in this case was to become a medical doctor, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, this young man was able to imagine, see, and feel the reality of being a doctor. So your author Asimov is telling that this young man was able to imagine, see, feel the reality of being a doctor, friends. Okay, he lived with the idea, sustained it, nourished it, and loved it until, through his imagination, it penetrated the layers of the subconscious mind and became a conviction. So, this boy seen the idea, imagined it, nourished it, and stayed with it till the moment of conviction, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic, thereby attracting to him everything necessary for the fulfillment of his dream. So in this way, attracting the everything necessary for the fulfillment of the dream, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's topic, I have covered the concept called how to attract the money you need. This topic, friends. Okay, so friends, in our next video, I am going to cover the topic called why some men do not get a raise in pay. So this will be the topic which I will be covering in the next video, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.